Lesson 18. Must and can't. 1. Must for logical certainty. We use must when we are almost sure something is true based on the evidence we have. Examples: you've been traveling all day. You must be tired. Or that restaurant is always full. It must be very good. 2. Can't for logical impossibility. We use can't when we believe something is impossible or very unlikely to be true. Examples: you've just had lunch. You can't be hungry already. Or that restaurant is always empty. It can't be very good. 3. Must have done for past certainty. We use must have done when we are sure about something that happened in the past because it is the most logical explanation. Examples: I've lost one of my gloves. I must have dropped it somewhere. Or nobody answered the door. They must have gone out. 4. Can't have done for past impossibility. We use can't have done when we believe something in the past was impossible or didn't happen. Examples: Sarah hasn't contacted me. She can't have got my message. Or Max walked into the wall. He can't have been looking where he was going. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!